The jack pine, or Pinus banksiana, has needles that are in clusters of 2, are 2 to 4 centimeters long, and are slightly curved and spread apart. Scots pine, Pinus sylvestris, has needles that are in clusters of 2, 4 to 8 centimeters long, and are usually twisted either individually or together in the cluster. Eastern white pine, Pinus strobus, has needles in clusters of 5 that are soft and flexible, being blue-green in color. Red pine, Pinus resinosa, has needles in clusters of 2, are 10 to 15 centimeters long, and a bottle brush-like appearance. Eastern red cedar, Junipernus virginiana, has leaves that are scale and needle-like, overlapping 1 to 2 millimeters, and is dark bluish-green. Eastern white cedar, Thuja occidentalis, has leaves that are overlapping scales 5 to 7 millimeters long, being yellow-green in color. Balsam fir, Abies balsamea, has single-borne leaves that are 1 to 3 centimeters long, flattened, and usually arranged on 2 sides of the twig. The leaves are sessile, which means they grow directly from the twig and have no stalk. Eastern hemlock, Tsuga canadensis, has leaves that are half to 1.5 centimeters long. The stomata is present on the underside of the leaf and is visible as white bands. The leaves have stalks at the base and are dark green in color. White spruce, Passia glauca, has needles that are 2 to 2.5 centimeters long and squarish in the cross section. It has a distinctive odor when crushed. The needles are crowded on the upper surface of the branches and are often curved. The twig is straw-colored and lacking hairs. Black spruce, Passia mariana, has leaves that are rarely longer than 1 centimeter, slightly curved, and lacks luster or shine. The twig is reddish-brown and covered with dense hairs. Tamarack, Larix laricina, has leaves that are singly borne or in clusters of 10 to 20, being 2 to 3 centimeters long. In the autumn, the leaves turn bright yellow. Black willow, Salix nigra. The leaves are lanceolate in shape with no glands. The margin is wavy to entire. The white birch, or Betula papyriferia, is an opposite arrangement, simple leaf, being 5 to 13 centimeters long and 2 to 5 centimeters wide. It's lacking teeth on the blade adjacent to the petiole. It is deltoid to ovate in shape. The margin is doubly serrate. Yellow birch, Betula aleghanensis. It's an alternate arrangement, simple leaf, that is 7 to 11 centimeters long and 3 to 5 centimeters wide. It usually has 12 or more pairs of lateral veins, few of them being forked. The margin is sharply doubly serrate. The base is narrowly rounded to cordate. Its apex is acute to acuminate. The ironwood, or Austria virginiana, is an alternate arrangement, simple leaf, that is 7 to 12 centimeters long and 4 to 9 centimeters wide. It has 12 pairs or less of lateral veins, many of them being forked. The base is narrowly rounded, the margin is serrate, and it has a thin texture. Large tooth aspen, Populus grandidentata, is an alternate arrangement, simple leaf, being ovate to orbicular in shape. It has large, blunt, widely spaced teeth on margin, and the petiole is flat. Balsam poplar, Populus balsamifera. The leaves are in an alternate arrangement. They are simple, broadly ovate with a tapering tip. The underside is creamy white with rusty patches. Trembling aspen, Populus tremuloides. It's an alternate arrangement, simple leaf, that is orbicular in shape. The margin is finely serrate, the petiole is flat. The hard maple, otherwise known as the sugar maple, or Acer saccharum, has a simple leaf and an opposite arrangement, being 7 to 20 centimeters in diameter. It has 3 to 5 lobes that are pointed at the tip. The notches between the lobes are U-shaped. The red maple, or Acer rubrum, is an opposite arrangement, simple leaf, being 5 to 15 centimeters long and 3 to 10 centimeters wide. It has 3 to 5 lobes with a V-shaped notch between them. The petiole is 5 to 10 centimeters long. The Norway maple, Acer platanoides, has an opposite arrangement, the leaves being 8 to 16 centimeters long and 10 to 18 centimeters wide. It has 5 to 7 bristle-tipped lobes. The silver maple, or Acer saccharinum, has an opposite arrangement, simple leaf, being 14 to 20 centimeters long and 10 to 18 centimeters wide. It has 5 lobes and deeply cut narrow sinuses. The margin is irregularly doubly toothed. Red oak, Quercus rubra. It's an alternate arrangement, simple leaf, that is 10 to 20 centimeters long and 6 to 12 centimeters wide. It has 7 to 9 sharp-pointed and bristle-tipped lobes. The sinuses extend halfway to the midrib. The bur oak, or Quercus macrocarpa, has an alternate arrangement, simple leaf, being 15 to 30 centimeters long and 7 to 15 centimeters wide. It's broadest above the middle of the leaf with 5 to 9 rounded lobes, the terminal lobe being the largest. White oak, Quercus alba. It's an alternate arrangement, simple leaf, being 12 to 22 centimeters long and 5 to 10 centimeters wide, with 7 to 10 rounded lobes. The sinus extends almost to the midrib. The white elm, otherwise known as the American elm, or Ulmus americana, has a simple leaf in an alternate arrangement, usually 7 to 15 centimeters long and 3 to 8 centimeters wide. The margin is coarse and doubly serrate with an oblique or lopsided base. Rock elm, Ulmus thomasii, has an alternate arrangement, simple leaf, being 5 to 10 centimeters long and 2 to 4 centimeters wide. The margin is coarse and doubly serrate, and the base is even. Basswood, Tilia americana, has leaves that are simple and in an alternate arrangement, usually 12 to 15 centimeters long and 7 to 10 centimeters wide. It has a glandular margin. The base is lopsided and the leaf is heart-shaped. American beech, Fagus grandifolia, has a simple leaf in an alternate arrangement, usually 6 to 14 centimeters long and 3 to 7 centimeters wide. It has prominent straight veins, each ending in a tooth, and is elliptical in shape. Black cherry, Prunus serotina, has an alternate arrangement, simple leaf, being 5 to 15 centimeters long and 2 to 4 centimeters wide. Its shape is narrowly oval to lanceolate, and its margin is finely serrate. It has rusty hair along the midrib on the underside of the leaf and glands on the petiole. Butternut, Juglans cinerea, has an alternate arrangement with a compound leaf having 11 to 17 leaflets. The rachis and underside of the leaflets are densely hairy. The terminal leaflet is well developed. Black walnut, Juglans nigra, has an alternate arrangement compound leaf with 15 to 23 leaflets. The rachis is covered with fine hairs and the terminal leaflet is poorly developed or missing. Black ash, Fraxinus nigra, has a compound leaf in an opposite arrangement with 7 to 11 leaflets. The leaves are 25 to 40 centimeters long. The leaflets have an elongated oval shape, are finely and sharply toothed, sessile, and joined by a hairy tuft on the leaf. White ash, Fraxinus americana, has an alternate arrangement, compound leaf, with 5 to 9 leaflets, usually having 7. The leaves are 20 to 30 centimeters long. The leaflets are weakly toothed and stalked. Shagbark hickory, Caria ovata, has an alternate arrangement, compound leaf, with 5 leaflets, but on occasion it can have as much as 7. The margin has fine teeth and the upper surface is yellowish green. Bitternut hickory, Caria cordiformis, has an alternate arrangement, compound leaf, with 7 to 11 leaflets, usually having 7. The leaflets are oblong to lanceolate in shape.